Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I want to share with you guys these super cute tropical clothespin clips that I created, and I want to show you guys how easy they are to create. And these are super fun to include in Happy Mail. I'm going to package them up. I haven't decided how I'm going to package them up yet, which is why I won't be showing that in this video, but I did want to show you how simple and easy these are. Now you guys can paint the clips. I just use some regular clothespins that look like this. You get like a pack of 50 at a dollar store, and you can paint them. I didn't want to paint them because I kind of like the wood effect against the tropical theme. That's why I left them that way, because I just didn't want to paint them. I kind of like the way they look like this. It just goes with the wood grain with the tropical theme. So all you're gonna need are some clothespins and whatever die cut you want. I used these cute little flamingo die cuts, and they're from a die that I got from one of the Peachy Cheap deals. This is what it looks like, and it's super cute, and it's a decent size. I love that. I also used this one, which is a little banana leaf. How cute is this clip, you guys? I'm obsessed. Look at that. The detail is so cute, but yet so simple. This is another one from the, I think it was like a summer like die set that they had. And here's the little banana leaf. And then the paper that I used to make the clips is this Pretty in Palms by the Paper Studio. And I thought it was perfect. It went perfectly well with the flamingos and the banana leaves. So I chose this pattern for this one. And then I also used like this little plaid. How cute is that, you guys? And then the little bows that I used are the Amy Tangerine faux suede bows, because they're super tiny and I don't think that they looked so overwhelming. Look at that, you guys. I'm obsessed. They're so cute. And then I also use these little pom-poms that you can find at Michael's on like the little tail, just to give it a little something. And you guys, these bows are like from Christmas time, but you know, us crafters, we use bows on anything, and that's just what we do. So I want to show you guys how simple it is. You can get any die cut. You can even use, like, I die cut some bows because I'm going to be doing something. You can actually throw a bow on your clip as well, or a die cut that you have. If you have the flamingo, a unicorn, anything you want, all you do is grab your clip. This is the easiest ever. You add a little bit of glue right here just to cover that little metal piece. So we're going to add some glue. Then what you want to do is you want to grab your flamingo, in my case, and just place it right up top. And there you go. Look at that. Look how easy. Like, sometimes we don't have a lot of time to be crafting and doing stuff like that. So these are fast and easy little goodies for your pen pals. So I'm gonna add a little dab of glue to the little tail part. We're gonna add a cute little pink pom-pom right there. If you guys hear kids, there's a little graduation party going on. Look at that, without the little bow. Isn't that the cutest? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a bow, and you can use, see, I have these little gold ones. Any little tiny bow that you have, if you have like a die cut that you can use, that'll be cute. I'm gonna use the little pink one, and it has like a little adhesive, so we're just gonna place that right there. And you guys, look how cute. It's like super fast. And that's the little flamingo. And then as far as for the little banana leaf, same thing. Just cover your little metal piece with a little dab of glue. Actually, for this one, because it's like a little longer, I'll extend it. Then you grab your banana leaf and you just place it right on the lower end of the clip. Try not to burn yourself. And look at that. You can attach this to like a loaded envelope, or, you know, package them up and give them as gifts. I'm gonna be packaging them up and use them as Happy Mail gifts. But I am obsessed. I love how they turned out. They turned out super cute, and you can use almost any die cut. You can use a flamingo or unicorn. and you can paint the clips. The options are endless. I just personally like the way they look like this. But yeah, you guys, that's my super quick tutorial showing you guys how to make these tropical themed clothespin clips for Happy Mail. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.